In this video, we are going to see how we can completely reset Microsoft Edge to its default settings. Whether you have changed the search engines, you have customized some of the taskbar settings or so on. Here's how you can move it to the default settings and reset it completely. So first of all, what we need to do is just head over to the three dots on the top right hand corner and head over to the settings at the bottom. From here, on the left hand side, we can see this reset settings option. Click on that and it says restore settings to their default values. If we click on that, it will show us this window. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorite history and save passwords will not be cleared. So that's a positive thing, that it is not clearing the history and the save passwords. So, but all the settings that we have done recently should be reset. So if you're sure about that, you click on reset and then you just exit out of the browser and relaunch the browser. And then if you want to clear the other items, you can again click on the three dots and move to the settings and simply write here clear. From here, you see clear browsing data now. Click on choose what to clear and then you can clear every single thing like auto form data. You can set it to all times and you can delete the save passwords and all the things if you want to completely reset this. After that, you just hit clear now and then it will be just like the default settings of Microsoft Edge. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.